Welcome. In this video, I'll show you the best settings and hotkeys for League of Legends, okay? So first up, let's go ahead and go to the top right, click on the gear icon. Now go ahead and click on hotkeys, okay? Wait for it to load. Once it loads, don't use the normal cast all, okay? Just use the quick cast, okay? It will save you some time. All right, as it says, quick cast. Normal cast right here requires you to do an extra click, okay? So use quick cast. If you want to, you could go ahead and change these hotkeys. Now, in here, make sure that replace quick cast with indicator is turned off. Okay. Once that's done, go ahead over to the left panel and click on interface. Right here, make sure that your HUD scale is 10 or below, or maybe 0, as you'd want to see as much details as you can while in game. Okay. Chat scale, maybe a 50 to 70 right here. I'm just going to set this one to 50. And then the minimap scale, make sure that it's at 200. Okay. Again, bigger map screen, bigger information. Okay. Objective planning, just leave it 100. And make sure right here that both show health bars and show loss of control UI is ticked. Okay. Make sure that both is enabled. Show names above health bar. Normally, a lot of people have been using champion name, but this one really depends on you. Okay. Scroll down. This one enable show spell cost to keep track of your mana. Okay. Now once that's done, go ahead over to the game tab. Mouse speed right here or controls, it's up to you. Okay. Camera movement as well. It's up to you. Because if you want to speed up your mouse sensitivity in game, well, it's better just to do it under your mouse settings here on your system. Okay. Right here. Also, when you scroll down, you have to turn off auto attack. And once that's done, just hit on the done button. Now all you have to do is just open up game and go to the video settings. In the in-game settings, video general resolution right here, make sure that it is the highest that your monitor can handle. Okay, 1920 by 1080, or maybe if you have a 4K monitor, 2560 by 1440, something like that. Or for 4K, 3840 by 2160. Okay, windowed mode. This is preferable, but if you want it full screen, like exclusive, go ahead and hit on full screen. But if you want to alt tab quickly, make sure that it is set to windowed mode. Okay. Just copy these settings, colorblind mode off. If you are colorblind, just turn this on. Make sure that enable screen shake is disabled just to prevent unnecessary movement in your screen. Okay. Graphics, high, shadow, make it low. Okay. Once that's done, just hit on OK and enjoy. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.